We came down here to La Jolla, you know, just some, this is a Rolls Royce in the wild.
That's a Murcielago. That's a Murcielago.
Yo.
Both, I thought they were Diablos.
Yeah.
Because you can tell by the wings.
The wing, yeah, the little butterfly wings. Just.
Oh, did you miss the Rolls Royce?
Just chilling. No, I caught the Rolls Royce.
Got it too. Yeah, I actually just saw it.
Wow. So just to give some context, we came down here to La Jolla because we're gonna head to Ogara. For those of you who don't know, Ogara is kind of like a luxury dealership. So they sell Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens, you know, things of that nature. So we're gonna head there and we're gonna see if we can sit inside of a supercar. All right, so we are here at Ogara. We're about to go inside what it is called McLaren, because you know they have separate buildings. So this is, what is it, Lamborghini, Bentley, and I think that's it. This is McLaren. I think there's one other one, but we're about to pull out one of these cars, yeah, just so we can kind of show you guys like around the car, inside of it. It actually smells really good in here. Wow, that's crazy. Dang, this is clean. Tea, green, orange house gears. I always gotta do that, man. It's like, you know, it's like a quarter mil. That's crazy. Look at all this. Oh, that mini still doesn't say anything, bro. It's crazy because the door handle, I think it's in here, isn't it?
I think so.
Or something. I'm over here touching on it for recording. I'm not. Oh, it's right here. I don't know. Obviously,
Yeah,
I don't
because
know.
it's
Yeah. Hurry. Did you leave the door open? No? Oh, did you? Oh, you did something. Oh, I was gonna say. Dang. That's crazy. All right, I'll go ahead and let him do his thing. Start it up and.
Okay, I'm just gonna back it up.
Okay, you're good. Just kind of want to get that cold start. This is rear end.
It looks like almost like a blue olive or some type
like
of
gray, blue. Yeah, I would say olive.
like an olive or something.
Oh, look at that front lip. So before we go any further, I just want to give a huge shout out to Scott. I think his name's Scott.
Scott
yeah,
Ogara.
Shout out to Scott out of Ogara because we literally just met this guy like what 20 minutes ago.
Yeah.
And we were just talking, just chopping it up, and then. Yeah, he was like, oh, you know, bro, if like you want to film another car, just let me know and I can grab it. And literally, we just made it happen, you know.
Yeah.
So, shouts out to him. Again, we just wanted to pull this car out, kind of give you guys like an overview of what it looks like on the inside, outside, and pretty much just go from there, you know. That's crazy, bro. That car looks so clean, bro.
It's so quiet.
He said it's so quiet.
Yeah, right.
Hybrid.
Yo, that is so clean though. Those wheels, the contrast with that paint.
So sick.
Now that it's outside, you can kind of tell that it's like a green gray.
Yeah.
That's weird. Honestly, you can leave right here. Yeah. Because Drew just got done filming with the Huracan. We parked it right there, but it's probably better that way. It's like out of the way when it's like right here.
Mm-hmm.
You know? So clean, bro. I love how they have like that two-tone with the paint and then the carbon fiber. That is so sick. I appreciate it, bro.
Yeah,
Thank you.
bro.
Appreciate it.
Thank you, bro.
Man, these wheels. Let's take a look on the inside. So right away you got the suede, right? The door panels, bro.
What?
The door panels are dry carbon. The whole thing is dry carbon. That's crazy, yeah. Alright, let's get inside of it. Let's get inside. Yo. This windshield is crazy. Like you literally have this to view. You know what I mean? So like you you would have to be like, oh, like what was that? You know, this is crazy, yo. Wow. Cannot believe we're actually sitting in this car right now. This car has 33 miles on it, guys. Has 33 miles on it.
And you're in the
and I'm sitting in it. You know what I mean? Obviously, it's not my car, but it's just crazy. You know, obviously, like we're into like the imports and like JDM and all that stuff, but
this is a whole different animal.
A whole different animal. You know, getting inside the exotics and stuff like that. Crazy. Yeah, dry carbon right here, suede. I could be wrong. It's probably Alcantara, huh? I keep saying, I always say suede, but it's probably Alcantara.
Yeah,
Alcantara.
Yeah.
Alcantara.
Same thing, but yeah.
Yeah, the race stripe right here. But yeah, Alcantara, dry carbon. A little start right here. Obviously, we're not going to start it because you guys just heard it start, cold start. It's not going to be the same. We don't want to rev it just because there is residential back here, so we kind of want to, you know, keep the peace. But just sitting in this car, bro, is insane. Like, yeah, I don't know, it's crazy. Who would have ever thought, you know?
Yeah.
Like, I feel like this is just kind of like the stepping stone, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like, I don't know, sky's the limit from this aspect, but it's just crazy. I can 100% see myself driving one of these. No, yeah, let's take a look at the outside though. So, obviously, we just saw the inside. Let's go and close the door. So, V10, 640 horsepower out of this car. And that's a small car too. Like, it's not a big car. Let's see how much this car weighs. I don't know off the top of my head. Let's see. Let's see how much it weighs. What's your guess?
Say 3,300.
3,300, you think?
Yeah, 33, 34.
3,040.
3,000.
This car weighs less than a 370Z Nismo,
wow.
and it has double the
bigger,
horsepower.
Yeah, and a bigger engine.
And a bigger engine.
V10 versus a V6.
Wow. Let's see if I can pop the...
It has to be on, remember?
Oh, shoot, does it?
Yeah, not like on as far as started, but it has to be on the on position.
Hey, Scott, is it the same situation where you have to like pop the rear trunk and it has to be on? It's Scott, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, I know how to get that.
Be here.
Sorry.
Just so we can kind of see it. You just grab it?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah, it's funny how it's the engine sits off-centered. The thing is, that looks aftermarket stock. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because it's like aluminum and everything.
It's
Yeah.
like they put that factory, but it's like aftermarket. You know what I mean? You got the two intakes right there. Dang, you can see this car's been sitting because that spider wheels right there. Yo, bro, this is crazy. Imagine working on this car. I was telling Jew right before he pulled it out that I want to take one of these cars apart so bad. Because you guys know, like, we work on our cars, right? We do everything to them. So being able to say, oh, I took apart a Lamborghini and put it back together, like, that's, to me, it's big. You know, me personally. So I would definitely want to take apart one of these cars one day. Well, I know it's coming. But this rear hatch is all carbon fiber. This is all dry right here. I think is the top. Is it gloss? Yeah, so the top's gloss, and then it goes to dry. Yo. That's so sick. The thing is, like, I'm looking on the passenger side. Because I am 6'2",
Yeah.
I think. So my passenger, if you're 6'2", you can sit in here. I wouldn't say comfortable because I think the seats all the way back. Let's see. Stop right there because I don't want to hear no cracking. But but yeah, and then again, you have like all this leg room, so you could technically scoot it up. Now the one thing that I see about this car is it ain't got no cup holder. I think it would be right here, right?
Mm-hmm.
It ain't got no cup holder. And the thing is, this is dry carbon. So if you say they make a piece that you're able to put a cup holder, you would have to replace this. I'm pretty sure it'd be dry carbon, and you know that would be racks. Yo, you know that'd be racks. I'm cool, bro. I'll just put it in between my legs. The glove compartment. This is literally made for your registration and insurance because you're not putting nothing in there, boy. Yeah, this is. I wonder if the screen has Apple CarPlay.
I think it does.
Do you think so?
I think it does, yeah.
Because you have all your buttons right here. So this is Windows, front lift, traction control, I think, right? Electronic something control. I'm assuming it's traction control. Hazards, yeah, parking. What is that?
Sensors.
Sensor. Oh, parking sensors. What the heck?
Stop start.
Yeah, I didn't think they'd have it on this car.
Yeah.
Though.
Mm-hmm.
That's kind of weird.
kinda whack,
Imagine,
yeah.
bro, you're in the Lamborghini, you shut off, and
Yes.
Yeah.
Whatever. And then your other window for the passenger. Yo, I cannot believe we're sitting in this car though. It's so crazy.
Yeah.
The next step would be to drive one, but obviously, you know, that's...
Work our way up.
Yeah, we work our way up. That's kind of obviously a stretch right now. We gotta, you know, baby steps. Because this is...
This is a huge, I feel like, accomplishment.
Again, I want to see how much this car is because I don't even know how much it is. Let's see. Let's see how much this car is. What's your guess?
I don't know what year this is, but...
This is a... Well, it's brand new. Well, that don't matter.
Oh, 33. Yeah, 33 miles. But I would say like 400,000. Maybe.
There is a...
LP642. Yeah, 340.
It starts off at
340.
244.
244.
Starts off.
Obviously, yeah, no options.
Yeah.
You know.
Let me see, because I think this one was for sale just now. Let me see if this is... Oh, shoot, bro, it is. This is a 2023.
Oh, wow.
And the price that it's listed for...
344.
$369.
Wow.
So this is probably after taxes and
400,000.
license? No, 500,000 easily.
No.
Either,
No.
well, no, think about it. Cause
oh,
remember
it's 8%. So do 3.
Well, remember that McLaren that guy won earlier?
Yeah. It was 100 or 90,000.
Yeah, they said they gave him 91,000 for taxes.
Oh, that makes
So
sense. So
when it's all said and done, this is going to be close to $500,000.
Yeah. Give or take, yeah.
Just so you guys know, I ain't lying. We got the white one right here, and it's listed for $369. So we're sitting in, give or take, a $500,000 car right now.
So after this, Rob is gonna finish up buying this car, and then we're gonna.
All right, bro. Sell my soul real quick.
It's yo.
I'm kidding. Wait, is this cup holders?
No.
You sure?
No, just like for your knee, when you rest your knee there.
Should I try to pull it?
No.
I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding.
This video's over. There's like.
Yo, I really want to take one of these cars apart, though, bro.
Yeah.
You guys know I'm a technical guy, so I like seeing how things come apart. I know for a fact that this pulls out. I'm obviously not gonna try it, but I know that this just pulls out. Because the thing is, when you start taking cars apart and you've done it so much for so long, you can literally visualize. Like in my head, I can already visualize how this comes apart. Like for example, to take this stereo out, this has to come off, right? But in order for this to come off, this has to come off. So this probably pops off. These pop off, and then there's probably screws right here. I'm telling you, bro, I can do this all day. But yeah, I'm just grateful. Let's turn in. I just pressed the button inside of a $500,000 car. So is it hard getting out? From a 6'2" guy, give or take. Lady 6'3". No, it's not too bad. The thing is, so it's funny. Ever since I was young, because I kind of get being into cars from my dad, and he's always taught me from a youngin', like when you have a car this clean, especially when it's black, you never put your hands on the door and close it. You always grab the door handle. Obviously, this one's kind of tucked because it's like that. But, well, I just kind of, so you take the door handle and then you just close it. I can't believe this car is so clean. One day.
Absolutely.
I think I got like $2 on it real quick.
What the heck?
All right, and this is pretty much going to conclude this portion of the video with this car. Again, shout out to my man Scott for letting us review this car. And this is probably something that we're going to be doing more often. Me and Drew come down here like on the weekends and stuff and pretty much check out like the exotics that they have here, because I'm really interested in learning about these cars, because I don't really know too much, if I'm being honest, because like I said, our forte is like the tuner cars and like the JDMs and stuff like that. So but this is so beautiful, bro. This paint with these wheels. Hold on. Let's go to my favorite angle. We gotta go to my favorite angle. That hood with that carbon fiber is crazy, but right here, right there. Oh Lord.
Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.